Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Time flies fast, so make sure to spend it with the ones you love and cherish the most." If we truly understood how swiftly time moves, how quietly it slips through the seams of our days, we would soften our voices, loosen our pride, and draw the people we cherish the most a little closer. We would stop storing tenderness for some imagined later date, because later is a promise time never makes. It comes without warning and leaves without apology, carrying with it every unspoken sentiment and every moment we were too distracted to inhabit. You see, my friends, life was never meant to be a museum of postponed feelings. It was meant to be lived in real breaths, in the warmth of arms around us, in the courage to say, "You matter to me." What we do not live, we ultimately lose. Like those unsaid words, those delayed embraces, those small joys we told ourselves we'd come back to. So let your life become a collection of moments, my friends. A collection of moments you were brave enough to feel fully. The laughter that echoes, the tears that cleanse, the kindness given freely, and the love that expressed without restraint. And when the years finally gather behind you, my friend, may what remains be the memories that still glow in your chest, the ones that remind you that you didn't just pass through life, you actually lived inside it. So in closing, my friends, consideration is the kind of care that doesn't announce itself. It reveals itself in the ease it brings to your days. It's the extra mile someone walks, not out of obligation, but more so out of devotion. It's the thought they put into your comfort, your joy, and your peace. Because how much someone cares is rarely found in the big gestures or perfect words, but mostly it is found in the way they consider your heart, as if it were something fragile yet precious, something worth protecting, something worth honoring. And sometimes, my friends, the truest love is simply this: I thought of you. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.